Did you know that over 80% of online content consumed today is video? And by 2025, video will make up over 82% of all internet traffic. If you're not creating videos for your business or personal brand, you're already missing out on a huge opportunity. But let's be real. Creating high-quality videos takes time, effort, and technical skills. You need a script, a voiceover, visuals, and editing software. The process can be overwhelming, especially if you're just starting out. Welcome to Web Success, where we help you grow your online presence and income. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the best tools and strategies to succeed online. Now imagine being able to create professional quality videos in just a few minutes without needing expensive software or advanced editing skills. Sounds impossible? Well, not anymore. Stick around to discover a powerful AI tool that can automate the entire video creation process and help you grow your online business faster than ever. This AI-driven platform is designed for content creators, marketers, and business owners who want to effortlessly produce high-quality videos. Whether you're creating YouTube content, marketing videos, training materials, or social media clips, this tool streamlines the process. Unlike traditional video editing software that requires technical skills and hours of manual work, this platform automates everything. You can turn text, blog posts, or simple scripts into engaging videos in minutes, without needing prior experience. It's fast, efficient, and cost-effective, making it perfect for beginners and professionals alike. In today's digital world, video is king. Whether you're running an online business, promoting products, or building a personal brand, video content increases engagement, boosts conversions, and helps you connect with your audience like never before. But creating videos manually is a struggle. Hiring a video editor can be expensive, and learning professional editing software takes months. That's where AI-driven automation changes the game. This tool eliminates all the complicated steps and allows you to create stunning, high-quality videos with just a few clicks. Using this platform is as simple as 1, 2, 3. 1. Upload or paste your script. Simply paste your text or upload a blog post, and the AI will analyze your content. 2. AI generates a video. The platform automatically selects relevant video clips, images, and animations to match your script. 3. Customize and export. You can fine-tune the video, add branding, voiceovers, or captions, and export it in high-quality resolution. And just like that, you have a ready-to-publish video in minutes. This tool is perfect for YouTubers. Create engaging videos without spending hours editing. Digital marketers. Automate video ads and promotional content. Business owners. Turn blogs and presentations into professional videos. Freelancers. Deliver high-quality video services to clients. Educators and coaches. Create training and tutorial videos effortlessly. No matter your niche, this AI-powered tool makes video creation simple and accessible for everyone. Here are some key features that make this platform a game-changer. AI script to video. Convert any text into a stunning video. Automatic voiceovers. Choose AI-generated voices or upload your own. Royalty-free media library. Access a massive collection of stock videos, images, and music. Auto subtitles and transcriptions. Instantly generate captions to improve accessibility. Custom branding. Add your logo, colors, and fonts for a professional touch. Easy-to-use interface. No complex editing tools, just drag, drop, and customize. With these features, you can save time, cut costs, and maximize your content output. Still wondering if this is the right solution for you? Here's why you should give it a try today. Save hours of work. No need to spend days editing videos manually. No expensive software or skills required. Perfect for beginners and professionals. Boost engagement and growth. More videos equals more reach equals more success. Affordable and cost-effective. Get high-quality videos without hiring an editor. The best part? You can test it out for yourself right now by clicking the link in the description below. If you're serious about growing your online presence and making video creation easier than ever, then this AI-powered tool is exactly what you need. Click the link in the video description to try it out today and see how it can transform your content strategy. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Web Success, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more amazing tools and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.